Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials. Open the server and application error logs and note timestamps around the 500 event. Next, confirm recent deployments or configuration edits so you know what changed. Check disk usage and file permissions because permission denials or full disks often trigger failures. Enable debug or verbose logging briefly to surface stack traces. Once done, snapshot current configs and backup critical files so you can revert if the next steps expose new issues. You now reproduce the error in a controlled environment using identical environment variables and representative requests. Follow stack traces to the failing function, middleware, or database layer. Reading the trace tells you why the server returned 500. Test database connectivity and query timeouts, and verify dependency versions. Temporarily disable recent plugins, extensions, or custom middleware to isolate the cause. Once isolated, run unit or integration tests to confirm the failure, and prepare a minimal patch. You implement the targeted fix, correct code, adjust config or restore permissions, and test locally before deploying to staging and production during a low-traffic window. After deployment, monitor access and error logs closely and run representative requests to confirm the 500 is resolved. If errors return, roll back to the backup snapshot and reevaluate the failing change. One key troubleshooting tip: enable detailed logging only temporarily so you can diagnose without exposing sensitive data or overloading the server with verbose output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.